natural like this.
はい、次は砂糖。普通キッシュ、今日はキッシュじゃないけど、キッシュとかの生地には砂糖入れないと思うけど、私はほんのり甘いのが好きなので砂糖を少し入れます。はい、このやり方で頑張ります。サクサクにするために。ホームワークするの？はい、作ったパイ生地を今日3等分できたので3等分にしてまとめていきます。で、今日使う分は冷蔵庫で少し休ませて、残りはもう冷凍して次またキッシュとか作る時に使いたいと思います。こんな感じでざっとまとめて外いった。はい、こんな感じでまとめて後で使います。はい、はい。Can you share some carrots?
Yeah. You just need
Here you
my,
go.
you just need my big muscles.
Boom.
Boom.
And sugar.
Ready?
This side is
There you go.
easy.
That is easy. Okay, whatever. Okay, almost done.
I don't think so. Yeah, I don't like that. You know.
I didn't think it was that bad, but yeah, I kind of don't like it either. We should invent a machine to do this. Just kidding, I'm sure there are some.
バターを入れて、どうも出しとこう。Use your muscle.
Yeah, my muscles feel it.
30. Sophia, are you still doing homework?
Yep.
Yeah, she's doing her reading workbook. She should be done pretty soon though. はい。 Sophie's been pretty good. She's been reading a lot lately. We got her. She's using my old Kindle, so she's reading a lot of books now.
あとミルク。
Faster. You need both carrots done?
Yeah, I'll measure faster for you then.
I don't know why, but I like
あ、
that
口
sound.
気味だ。
I don't know why, but I like that sound.
Oh, it's kind of a weird sound.
Mommy's doing it like that instead of a spoon.
Oh. 10 more. Actually, you good. Oh.
Don't get me wrong, I'm surprised. My muscles are actually a little tired.
Yeah,
You sure?
yeah, good.
Your muscles did it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Muscle power.
あ、これちょうど今日のお料理に使えるこのキャロット。で、あとはミルク。はい。ミルクを入れて、ちょっとそっと入れよう。もうちょっと。はい。で、あとは イーストを最後に入れて終わり。はい、じゃあこねていきます。はい、今日は本ベーカリーにこねてもらいます。
Get it. It's awfully windy out here. Whoa, what are you throwing it at?
I don't know.
What was that? Do it again. Let me see it. Yeah. So we had to put a little fence up because Maple likes to dig, so I gotta try and regrow the grass. So that's why there's a fence up in the yard. Maple's got 2 balls now. So today's watermelon day? Oh, that's a cool one there. I like that. I'm gonna draw that one.
ウォーターメロン
We're going to draw a watermelon, yes.
We'll draw the same one.
How come?
I don't know why she thought of a watermelon. What made you think of a watermelon?
Because the last painting I did an egg and this showed up. The watermelon showed up.
さあ、生地を二段してきれいな色、きれいな色で、今日は9等分します。ちょっと測って5ってことだよね。はい、では丸めていきます。閉じて、はい、きれいなところつけて、いや。いや、もう近くの上手ですよね。そういえば、見てます。これは気持ちいいかもしれない。はい、9個丸めたので濡れ布巾をかけて28個、はい、こんな感じで丸めたので28個に入ります。はい、大事な濡れ布巾をかけて乾燥しないように、はい、28個に入ります。まずバターを入れて、バターたっぷり。できた？ね、あ、かわいい。
Watermelon.
パープルだったの？最初に。
The pencil watermelon. So the Sharpies.
大ちゃんのは？
Very channel, isn't it? Paper.
見えるかな？何が書いたの？上手。ソフィーが上手やね。はい、じゃあどんどんお野菜を炒めていきます。オニオン、ガーリックと、はい、ここに裂いたチキンも入れていきます。たくさんだ。胡椒を結構多めに入れましょう。
I'm not sure she wants to be inside, but we grabbed her.
胡椒入れたらこんな感じ。やっぱいい香りするね。
Escaping from Mabel?
No! Oh no!
whoa, 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 crazy.
Crazy person right there.
Super cute, man. Watch her. Like she runs away from it and then she like tries to paw.
Dude.
And get her.
It's coming. Daddy's weird Google socks.
Oh, you like my Google socks?
No.
Google.
Watch me. Can I do it now?
You want to wear Google socks?
No.
She's like, can I do it? I'm like, yeah. You can wear Google socks.
I'm gonna do the obstacle but dragon.
Everyone loves Google socks.
I don't.
Everyone does. I went to a Google technical meeting before, and they gave Google socks out to everyone.
Hold on, I'm gonna do something.
I do love them.
You do?
They're pretty cool.
No, they're not.
They're pretty cute. You're just jealous.
They're
She's
not.
just jealous because she doesn't have Google socks.
They're not cute though.
It says Google down there.
Okay.
There you go. It says Google down there.
So I gotta go for
Looks awesome.
これはトマトスープ。トマトスープ。
All I know is it smells great, and I am starving.
オッケ
If you wanna be my
ー。オッ
lover.
ケーオッケ
Around the stool.
ー。ちょっと多いかなこれ。
See you remember me. Oh, we don't know it, guys.
はい、いいかな。このくらいでいいかな。はい、行きましょう。よっ。よし。おお。
Mojo crazy.
はい、2次発酵上がったようなのでオーブンに入れていきます。すごい綺麗。はい。あ、焼けたよ。
Ah, okay.
見てみましょう。
Ooh.
気をつけてね、熱いから。
おいしそう。
よ。焼けまし
おい
た。
しそ
ねえ。いい香りね。気をつけて熱いから。ダディ。
Smells so good.
焼けました。
So that'll be my dinner.
あ、できた。
う。できた。
見てみましょう。あ、いい香りね。重たい。
Oh, that looks good.
できました。
おいしそう
Whoa, don't want to.
怖い。
That would be sad in so many ways.
お、重たい。はい。で
Okay,
きた。
I'll get drinks.
Ready?
Have your soup.
これで。
いただきます。
I was gonna do it so loud, but I decided not to.
わ
おお。おお。
Oh my goodness.
美味しそう。
They're taking
I'll
this.
be honest, it looks awesome. Okay.
ご飯もあるよ。パンがいい。
I think the crust over here is gonna be good too. Yeah, it's hard to get.
そういや、ライスもあるよ。モデルだから。まだいい？あ、ちょうどいい。これあ、何入れるね。
あ、